Hello. Welcome back to my world. My name is Lorrie and I live here on Vancouver Island with my mother and my sweet darling husband. And we have a lot of fun. We get involved with some collaborations on YouTube as well. And one of them is the Let's Dehydrate collaboration. That was started by Peggy over at Paige's Family Homestead. So if you haven't checked it out, I will leave a link underneath, and it's just a collaboration of a bunch of people who are learning how to use their dehydrator or already know how to use their dehydrator and are giving the rest of us tips. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. And let's see, thanks so much for coming by. I really do appreciate your time. And let's get to it. Let's dehydrate. Today we're doing pineapple, and I'm not sure what else we're going to do along with the pineapple, but let's get that pineapple in there and get it started. So I've got a little bit of it going, and you can see I cut the core into spears. And that's because I'm going to dehydrate them and then turn them into powder, like some kind of a fruit powder. And then I've got little thin slices of pineapple, and I'm going to set you up here just like that, maybe. Alrighty then, so there you have it, and here are the little thin pineapple slices I'm slicing, trying to keep them as uniform as possible. It helps having a nice sharp knife. That's always a plus when it comes to doing this kind of stuff. And yeah, so I'll be back when all of this is on the dehydrator. So I ended up with 3 trays of pineapple and 2 trays of orange slices, which apparently can be used. I like mulled cider at Christmas time, and I had some extra oranges, so I thought I've never dehydrated them before, so I thought I'd give that a try. And then, yeah, I've got some scones that are, you know, they're starting to get a little bit dry, so I'm going to go ahead and cut them up and throw them in the dehydrator too, and we'll see what we can do with that. Perfect. I got 2 trays out of the scones, and I don't know. I've never really had much biscotti, so I'm not sure what to do with it once it's done. Anyway, I'm going to throw this all on at 135 because that's what you do fruits and vegetables at, and leave it for about 6 hours, and then I'll come and check on it, and I'll keep you updated. What you laughing at, honey?
That's attractive.
Do you like that? Does it turn you on?
Oh, yeah. Shit.
Okay, so it's the next day. I don't know if the camera can see that or not, but it's the next day. And I turned this down, way down overnight so that it didn't like burn the house up.
No, you're not hitting it.
I'm not hitting it? Is that better?
Well, why don't you do this? Oh, can't you move this?
Yeah, you just gotta loosen this up a little bit. And then this moves.
There. Well,
there?
right there. Try that.
Okay. My honey is so helpful.
Well, I imagine they want to see that, not your cupboard.
Yeah, they probably don't want to see the cupboard. Okay, so these look...
What are those?
Pineapple.
Oh, they're not done.
They're still pretty rubbery, though. You want to try one?
If they're not, I thought they were supposed to be chips.
Yeah, they are. They'll have to go some more. They're not. They taste good, though, don't they?
It's like pineapple.
Yeah, but they're like gummy.
Those aren't chips.
Okay, so those aren't chips yet. So we'll keep going with those.
What are those?
This is the core.
Core of what?
The pineapple.
Oh.
I'm going to make it into powder. Pineapple powder. Okay, here's the oranges. They feel like they might be, if I let them cool. Well, maybe not. They're still a little bit pliable. Well, we're getting there. And the biscotti. Oh, it's going to make some lovely crumbs.
They're done.
They're done? Okay, so we'll take those off. Because I only need 5 trays to make it work.
It tastes better that way than it did when they came fresh.
Did they? Does it? Good. Well, that was the idea, right? Because you said they tasted a little bit old. I'll turn that back up to the right temperature. And we'll let these go now for a few more hours, I guess. And we'll try again.
Hey.
I hope they can see you now. It's been like 2 days since we started these. And let's see if these are chips yet. Well, they're still pretty rubbery, but they're hot. So I'm going to take a couple out. And I'll let them cool. And then I'm going to... Oh, there's one that looks like it should be crispy. We'll let these cool, and then we'll see if there's crispy. Like, this is taking crazy long. I know this isn't the best dehydrator in the whole world, but this is ridiculous. Oh, those are done. Yeah, those are done for sure. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, sorry, showing off my little blanket there. No, I wasn't, but yeah, those are done. Those snap really nicely now. Okay, and I betcha this is my celery leaf. And it's totally done too, but my pineapple, I don't know. Alrighty, well, this has been going for days and days and days, and I'm tired of waiting for this pineapple to be done, so I'm calling it good on this, and where it sits is where it sits. It should be pretty good. It dehydrated for like 5 days. It's been sitting overnight. Yeah, see, it's still gooey. So, I don't know. It's all still gooey. It's not, oh, those are crisp. Oh, one of them. Oh, well. Maybe I do need to keep going with it. Good grief. That's crazy. I don't know if it's because my dehydrator is a cheap dehydrator or what, but... Oh, wow, these onions aren't done either. Oh, my gosh. Nothing is done. Oh, this basil is... No, you know what? And none of it's done. I'm going to put it back on. Here we are at the dehydrator again, and it's like day 6 of trying to get these pineapple to dehydrate enough so that I can actually have them be crunchy. Let's see if anything else is done. Okay, this onion is done, definitely. Let's see if this pineapple, look at this. It's still gooey. I don't know. It's gonna be done though, because I'm done with it. I'm gonna let it cool. It's still pretty warm, so maybe it will toughen up as it cools, but I'm done with it. That's what it is. What it is. If it doesn't get crunchy, it's gonna be a thing of the past. Let's see what else we've got. This is some basil. It is definitely ready. It's nice and dry. I will crumble it up a little bit more. Here are my carrot greens and my beet greens. And those are going to get ground up into a powder and added to my green powder. So, dehydrating pineapple. I'm still kind of on the fence. I don't like it like a leather. I don't like that texture chewing on it. I was hoping to make them crispy like chips. If they get a little bit crispy, I might try to grind them up in my grinder and make like a pineapple powder. But I don't know. I'm kind of disappointed in the whole dehydrating pineapple ordeal.
Is this pineapple?
No, that is not pineapple.
Where's the pineapple?
That's basil, silly lady. There's the pineapple.
That is pineapple. It's like a gummy bear.
Is it?
Tastes good though.
Yeah, it tastes like really fresh, sweet pineapple, right?
What's making it not? What's it supposed to do? Get crispy?
Well, I was hoping it would get crispy. Somebody told me it would never get crispy. Somebody else told me to flip it over and try cooking it a little bit longer and it might get crispy.
That little tiny piece was crispy.
Yeah, well, it seems to be crisping up a little as it's cooling.
That one is gummy.
Yeah, see, some of them are gummy and some of them are crispy. Like, I bet that one's crispy.
Yeah. That's funny.
Yeah, so, I don't know. I'm not impressed.
What are you going to do with them?
I'm going to let them cool, and then I'm going to see if I can grind them up into a powder.
Well, if you can't do that, just leave them in a dish for a snack.
Okay, will you eat them?
Sure.
Okay. I'll put them in a jar and just leave them on the counter here. But I'm going to let this all cool for a good 10 minutes anyway, 10 or 15 minutes. And see what happens. And then I'll be grinding up my greens. And okay.
I could order goodness.
What on earth? Do you want to say hello to the camera? Say hello. She loves the camera. She's mad when I talk to it. Say hello, honey.
Hello, honey.
You gonna try the pineapple?
He's a scared.
Yeah. Never had crunchy pineapple. I guess it's all right.
Taste one of the bigger ones. They're more like gummies than pineapple. I want to know if you like them.
What? Oh, yes.
Well, you don't like it?
Well, kind of like jerky.
Pineapple jerky? Yeah, it's more like a fruit leather than it is like crispy, right? Like a chip.
Fruit leather.
Fruit leather.
Isn't that lovely?
Alrighty. Try again some. No, don't try that again. Try
Yeah, that's the second time I've tried to dehydrate pineapple, and
try
6 days it's taken.
Leave them out for snacking.
Yeah, I'll put them in the fridge. I'll put them in a jar in the fridge. And that way
then-
they'll last longer.
And then
You and Dave can eat them because I'm not going to eat them.
try the frozen pineapple.
I am going to try frozen next for
Okay.
sure.
Bye.